this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Snapchat Bitmoji face. It's very quick and easy, so let's just get straight into it. I'm going to open up Snapchat real quick, and I'm on my profile right now. Okay, so all you have to do you can see the current face I have on my Bitmoji at the moment. So if you want to change that, hit the settings gear, scroll down, and then here you can see an option that says Bitmoji. So tap on Bitmoji. And what that's going to do is going to show you your Bitmoji. You can change your outfit, you can edit my Bitmoji, or you can choose a selfie. Okay, so select selfie, and this is the actual face of your Bitmoji. Okay, so for an example, if I want to select this face right here, I just select it and then I hit on done, and now you can see that should load up. Okay, so let me go back, and it should update any moment now. So let me just refresh that. Okay, so that will update in a moment. You can see it is selected. Okay, so you might have to restart the Snapchat app. But if you're not seeing this interface, what you actually need to do is you need to download this application that's called Bitmoji. Okay, so you just go to the App Store, search for Bitmoji like that, and this is the application that you want to install to be able to link your Snapchat account to Bitmoji to be able to edit things like your face and stuff. So install that, and then you can follow the same steps. Okay, so if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.